Hi, Joe Biden says the American people do not deserve to know if he will pack the Supreme Court. Yes, you heard me correctly. Joe Biden has said that the American people do not deserve to know if he will pack the Supreme Court. Take a look.
Sir, I've got to ask you about packing the courts, and I know that you said yesterday you aren't going to answer the question until after the election, but this is the number one thing that I've been asked about from viewers in the past couple of days.
Well, you've been asked by the viewers who are probably Republicans who don't want me continuing to talk about what they're doing to the court right now.
Well, sir, don't the voters deserve to know?
No, they don't. I'm not going to play his game.
Now, why is that important? Because court packing refers to changing the size or structure of the Supreme Court to permit the appointment of additional justices in order to achieve political ends. Yes, today the Democrats want to pack the court in order to achieve particular political ends. The American people view packing the court as a threat to the independence of the court and a threat to the concept of separation of powers. But Biden says that the voters do not need to know if he will pack the court. And his supporters want him to pack the court. Now, not all presidents get to appoint Supreme Court justices. This uneven distribution of appointment opportunities is a natural consequence of the existing government structure. Under the Constitution, the president has the power to nominate and by and with the advice and consent of the Senate to appoint judges of the Supreme Court. Once appointed, these judges hold their offices during good behavior and receive compensation that may not be diminished during their continuance in office. Therefore, in the absence of changes in the size or structure of the court, appointments arise simply as justices resign, retire, or pass away. Under this system, some presidents appoint an unusually large number of justices, while others make disproportionately few appointments during their time in office. And some make no appointments. On several occasions during the nation's first 80 years, Congress altered the frequency of appointment opportunities by changing the number of justices seated on the court. The last of these changes occurred in 1869, when the number of justices was set at 9. The current 9-member court size has left the nation with an entrenched and largely unquestioned size of the court. The American people have been content since 1869 with the current number of justices and the appointment process. But the American people feel the issue of packing the court is controversial. The American people did not agree with the past attempts to pack the court. The American people view packing the court as a threat, again, to the independence of the court, and a threat to the concept of separation of powers. These are significant issues. So the American voters deserve to know if Biden intends to pack the court. Who ever heard of a presidential candidate telling American voters that they did not deserve to know how the candidate would act on such a significant issue if elected? Biden's comments are unconscionable. Well, I hope this helps. Have a good day.